Welcome friends. In this emergency Bitcoin video, I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin and I will tell you my next price target for the Bitcoin right now. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get Binance $700 bonus, which is absolutely free, just click on this link, and this link is available in this video's description and in this video's comment section. Click on this link. This is my affiliation link. Click on this link and create your account. And after creating your account, after initial deposit, you can get $700 bonus. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus of Bybit Exchange, then you can click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds, and after first deposit, you can get $1,600 bonus absolutely free. And if you want to get a 25% special fee, trading fees discount on every trade, then you have to open a Binance account with my affiliate link. Let's dive into the content. Bitcoin is currently is at $40,700, and now Bitcoin is looking very, very, very bullish. Now there is a strong resistance is at $42,000. If Bitcoin break $42,000, in that case, $45,000 is very, very near. In my previous video, I was told you that Bitcoin can hit this support zone, and after that, I was told you that 37,500 is our target. Once Bitcoin break this with overly strong candle, after that, I was told you that it can hit 40,000, and here you can see Bitcoin is now breaking $40,700 right now. Bitcoin can hit $42,000. We have to be very, very careful. Maybe this will be a fake out, but to be very true, we have to wait. If Bitcoin goes to hit 42,000 and after that Bitcoin reject, in that case Bitcoin can again hit 40,000 again. But if Bitcoin break $42,000, in that case our target will be like this. $44,900, and there is very, very strong resistance is at $45,000, $45,800. Here you can see, and let me please put it at here. This is our first target, $45,000. Once Bitcoin break $42,000, $42,700, in that case it can hit $45,000. Otherwise, it can again go down to 40,000 maybe. Again, it can go down to retest $38,000 level. We have to be very, very careful. We have to be watch these levels very carefully, $40,000 and $42,700. If Bitcoin break $42,700, in that case, $45,000 and $45,800 will be our targets. And if Bitcoin reject from that zone, $42,000, $42,800, and $42,000 and $42,800, in that case it can go down to again hit 40,000, maybe 38,000 again. We have to be very, very careful. Once Bitcoin break 42,000 and 42,800, in that case we can open a long trade. This is not a financial advice, but this is my technical knowledge I am sharing with you. I will not responsible any of your investment or trading loss. This video is just for informational purpose only. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. How beautifully Bitcoin break. EMA ribbon is at $39,000, and how beautifully Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon, and Bitcoin is now very far away from EMA ribbon. Let me please show you the volume. There is a very, very good volume in this chart. Bitcoin is having strong volume. That is why Bitcoin is very bullish right now, and price of the Bitcoin can I think can easily hit $45,000. Let me please show you BPBR. There are very, very strong orders are at $36,000, $36,700, and $37,000 and $37,500. And here you can see there are no big towers of BPBR that is indicating that there is no clear resistance, and that is why Bitcoin is very, very bullish right now. and this is very good sign for the Bitcoin and all Bitcoin. All people who like Bitcoin in bullish phase, this is very good sign for all of them. Bitcoin RSI is currently is at 77, which is very good, and it is seems bullishness, and it is showing very much bullishness, and that is why Bitcoin is very bullish right now. And I think Bitcoin can easily hit $45,000, but for this Bitcoin have to break this. Maybe Bitcoin can sudden down to $39,000, maybe $38,000 to liquidate high leverage people. So be careful, please. You have to, if you want to open a long trade right now, then please use low leverage. If you use to 40x, 50x, 125x, maybe 25x, 20x, in that case you can liquidate it. So please always use 10x, 5x leverage. That is very reasonable leverage. You have to wait. If Bitcoin break, I told you that our first target is 42,000 and our second target is $42,800. If Bitcoin break $42,800, our third target will be $45,000 and $45,800. These are the targets. Our first target is $42,000. Our second target is $42,800. Our third target is $45,000, and our last target is $45,800. These are upside targets. And if Bitcoin fails to break $42,000, in that case, it can again retest $40,000, maybe $38,000 to liquidate very high leverage peoples. What is your thinking about Bitcoin? Let me please know in the comment section. And if you want any coins technical analysis, please note down. Please write the coin name in this video's comment section. And if you want to get these bonuses, $700 bonus of Binance Exchange, $1,600 of bonus of Bybit Exchange, then please open new accounts with my affiliate links. Just go to in this video's description and in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after first deposit you can get $700 bonus and $1,600 bonus, which is absolutely free, which is tradable, and which is withdrawable too. And if you want to get 25% trading fees bonus, then you have to open Binance account with my affiliate link. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. All eyes are on this level, $42,000, $42,800. These are our first two targets. Our third target is $45,000, and our last target is $45,800. We have to be very careful right now. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me.